If you love Indian food, but you're tired of paying takeout prices, you can learn how to make some traditional dishes yourself at home. A hands-on Indian cuisine cooking class is being offered right now. And joining us now is the cooking class instructor, Nandita Selvanathan. Good morning, Nandita.
Thank you for having me.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. Now, obviously growing up in India, food, spices, a big part of your culture. Explain how your mom taught you all about this.
So my mother was very fond of cooking and hosting all the time.
Okay.
So any guests or friends and family came over, she was very happy to feed them. So she cooked all the time, like every day, fresh food for our family, for my grandparents, and all the family and friends. And I was always involved with the cooking process. And I was very interested also how she mixes various spices for different dishes. So that's how my interest grew.
And you've been cooking with your mom since you were 10 years old.
Yeah.
And now you're
exactly.
sharing those skills with other people who want to learn about Indian cuisine.
And I think home cooking is very important to have a good health and to also keep the family together.
Oh, that's beautiful. Friends. Okay, so you brought many different kinds of spices here. So I'm going to show what these are. This is the raw of
mung bean.
Okay, so mung bean is kind of like a lentil?
It's a lentil, yeah.
Okay.
That's a lentil, and it's a very nutritious and delicious lentil, which is a mung bean.
Full of protein as well.
Protein and fiber.
And fiber. And this is what it looks like when it's cooked.
Yeah. So when we make the lentil soup, we first roast it.
Okay.
So it changes color and then it becomes slightly brownish.
Yeah.
So that's what it is.
Okay.
So the second one is the roasted mung bean.
Okay. And then you also have...
Then you cook it with water and add turmeric.
Which is this?
This one. And garam masala.
Which is over here. This is a mix of different spices,
Different spices, garam masala, and you add salt to your taste.
Okay.
Then you cook it till it is soft and cooked.
Okay.
This one.
We also have this spice.
This is the cumin. These are the cumin seeds.
Okay.
So when the lentil soup is cooked and it's soft, then you add the cumin seeds after. So you temper it with the cumin seeds. Okay. So I'll do that.
Okay, so there's a few in there already. They're really cooked.
Yeah.
But we're going to add some more.
Yeah, we will just add a few more, and I'll show you how to temper it, and then you can taste it.
Okay, and so this is something that you teach in your cooking classes, right?
Cooking classes, yeah. Okay. It's very important to know how much to temper, what are the volumes, and what are the combination of spices. The correct amount of spices and the combination of spices is very important in Indian cooking.
Now, I can't, obviously people at home will not be able to smell this, but I can tell you firsthand, it smells lovely, and that's what it is about Indian cuisine and some of the spices that you use. They're so beautiful to smell.
Yeah, and they have a nice aroma as well as they have lots of health benefits.
Okay.
That's the best part. So I'll just add it here.
Ooh, spicy.
So there we go. Tempering, and will you like to taste some?
Yes. So this, you add this to the soup.
Yeah, and then mix it. You can also add some herbs like cilantro.
Yeah.
I've added, and you can just taste it.
Okay, that is good. Oh yeah, and there's protein in there, so it's a meatless dish, a great option.
And also it has a cooling effect on the body, so when the summer is really hot, then you can make this soup on a regular basis.
What I love about it too is that the spice that you were just heating up, it has a little bit of crunch as well.
Yeah,
which I love.
Right.
Okay, so you offer cooking classes. What do you want people to know about that?
Through the City of Winnipeg Leisure Guide, and we have the website cheekyfoods.com.
There you go.
And in September we'll start again.
Oh my gosh, I'm still tasting that. It's delicious. Thank you so much.